Hey guys, today I will be unboxing it B1A4 by B1A4, and in the next video I will do B2B press play. So let's open it. So here is the front, and it has like a circly texture, as you can see. And this is the back with the picture and the track list. And there are 6 songs and 1 instrumental. So I'm not sure if this will come with a photo card or not. I don't think it will, but I don't really mind. So this is the CD with all their names in the back. Okay, so let's look through the photo book, and it's a really thick photo book. Oh, I got a photo card. I got a Gongchan card in my B1A4 Ignition Special Edition as well. So I really wanted a Jinyoung or Sandal, but I don't mind. Yay, I got a photo card, because I know some people who didn't get photo cards. So yeah, let's go through the photo book. Jinyoung, Jinwoo, Sandal, I love him. Baro, Gongchan, his hair is so frizzy. Jinyoung, Jinwoo, Sandal sucking a lollipop. Sandal with his cute bunny glasses. Baro, I really like his pictures. Gongchan, group picture. Jinyoung, Jinwoo, Sandal, Baro, his hair, Gongchan, his tiger hoodie, Gongchan, group picture, Jinyoung's thanks to. I think that's the picture on his photo card. Jinyoung, oops, Jinwoo, and his thanks to. Jinwoo, Sandal, really cute picture. Sandal, I think that's his photo card, I'm not sure. Baro, and of course Gongchan, thanks to. Picture, lyrics, and then last group picture. So I'm really happy I got a photo card, because I know a lot of people didn't get one. So I'm so glad that I got one. And it's Gongchan. Gongchan is like one of the cutest maknaes ever. So thank you for watching, and I'll be unboxing B2B press play in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!